Let's focus on a powerful piece of the compensation system, one that moves beyond stability and into performance: incentives. While base pay answers the question, what do I earn for doing my job? Incentives answer a different question: what can I earn when I go above and beyond? Incentives are designed to focus effort, drive results, and reinforce the behaviors that matter most to the organization. When used well, they don't just reward performance, they shape it. At their core, incentives are about motivation, but not all motivation looks the same. Some incentives are financial, like bonuses or commissions. Others are non-monetary, such as extra time off, recognition, or unique development opportunities. What makes incentives effective is not just the reward itself, it's the meaning behind it. When employees see a clear connection between their effort and the reward, motivation becomes more intentional, focused, and sustained. One of the most common and immediate forms of incentives is the cash bonus. These are typically tied to short-term goals: hitting a sales target, completing a project, or achieving a specific performance milestone. Organizations may also use hiring bonuses to attract high-demand talent, signaling both urgency and value. These short-term incentives are powerful because they create urgency. They focus attention, drive action, and provide quick reinforcement for results. Not all incentives are immediate. Some are designed to keep employees invested over time. Stock shares and stock options are strong examples of long-term incentives. They give employees a financial stake in the organization's future. While these rewards can fluctuate with the market, they do something incredibly important. They shift mindset. Employees begin to think like owners. They become more connected to long-term outcomes, more invested in success, and more aligned with the organization's direction. Let's bring this into a real-world context. Imagine an employee on a sales team with a set base salary. That salary provides stability. It's what they can count on. Now layer in a performance-based incentive, like a quarterly bonus. Suddenly, there's a direct connection between effort and reward. The more they achieve, the more they earn. This combination is what makes total compensation so effective. Base pay creates security, while incentives create opportunity. Incentives are incredibly effective at driving short-term performance, but when designed well, they do much more than that. They create focus, they clarify expectations, and they align individual effort with organizational priorities. When employees understand exactly what they are working toward and how they will be rewarded, performance becomes more intentional and results become more consistent. At the end of the day, incentives are about alignment. They connect what the organization needs with what employees value. They turn goals into action and effort into outcomes. When incentives are thoughtfully designed, clearly communicated, and consistently applied, they become more than just rewards. They become a strategic tool for driving performance, engagement, and long-term success across the organization.